In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for FreshBooks affiliate program. By the end, you'll know how to find the right page, submit your application with confidence, and start promoting your unique link the smart way. First, head to the official FreshBooks affiliate program page. The quickest way is to open your browser and search for FreshBooks affiliate program. You'll know you're in the right place when you see information about commissions, program benefits, and a way to apply. Make sure you're on the official FreshBooks site or their designated affiliate portal before continuing. If a cookie or privacy notice appears, accept it so the page works correctly. Next, look for the Join or Apply button. It's typically near the top of the page or highlighted in a section that describes the program. Click that button to move to the sign-up area. You may be redirected to a partner network that manages the program for FreshBooks. That's normal, and you can proceed as long as it's clearly branded and linked from the official page. Now it's time to complete and submit the application form. You'll be asked for basic contact details, your website or primary promotional channel, and how you plan to promote FreshBooks. Be specific and honest here. Briefly explain your audience, the type of content you create, and why FreshBooks is a good fit. If the form includes fields about your traffic sources or social profiles, fill them in accurately. This helps reviewers understand your approach. Take a moment to read the program terms and conditions, including payout rules and geographic restrictions. Before submitting, double-check everything for accuracy, then send in your application. Some programs approve instantly, others take a bit of time, so keep an eye on your inbox for an approval message with next steps. Once you're in, it's time to promote your link. You'll receive a unique referral URL and often creatives like banners or copy guidelines. Add your link to relevant content you already have, such as blog posts comparing accounting tools, tutorials about invoicing, or videos that walk through small business workflows. Share it on your social channels where it naturally fits, and always include a clear affiliate disclosure to stay compliant with advertising rules. Create content that genuinely helps your audience solve a problem, and place your link where it adds value, like a call to action after a walkthrough. Track performance in your affiliate dashboard, note what's working, and refine your approach over time. That's it. Find the program page, click Join, submit a solid application, and thoughtfully promote your link to start earning commissions.